how to create a folder on home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now to create a folder, what you can do is simply drag and drop one of the app icons onto the other one. So here if I touch and hold and then I drag it and drop onto another app icon, this will automatically create a folder. Once you see the folder name at the top here, you can tap on it and give it a name. For example, Play Store, and then tap anywhere to close it or tap on done. Now you can see there is a plus button, so tap on that will allow you to add in other apps to the folder as well, and then tap on done. And that's it. So that's how you can create a folder on the home screen. To remove the folder, all you have to do is simply drag all the apps out of the folder, and when there is no more apps left, it will be automatically removed from your home screen. So drag all the apps out of the folder. After that, it will automatically be removed. So you can see there are 3 left. So there is no, I think if you touch and hold and then tap on select, you can select multiple items and then tap on remove. And this will allow you to quickly remove the folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.